Here's exactly how I'm going to create my content for the month of March in 30 minutes or less. I'm going to go to my content calendar that I created here in Canva, and I'm going to scroll until I find the month of March. Inside the month of March, I'm going to go to the date that I want to select. So today is Tuesday, March 4th. I'm going to highlight the text prompt that is in that day, and I'm going to copy it. Next, I'm going to take what I copied over into my favorite AI software. And you can use whatever AI software that you choose. You can use ChatGPT or Claude. I'm using Claude. And because I've already told Claude a lot about me and my business and who I am, now I'm just going to paste my prompt inside of that chat that we already created, and it's going to generate the content for me for each day. And so that prompt said, share 3 mistakes people make in your niche and how to avoid them. And as you can see, Claude gave me my information that I need to post on social media for today. And I'm just going to do that same thing for all of the days within the month of March. And there it is. Now I have created 30 days worth of content for the month of March in less than 30 minutes using this content calendar right here. So now no more overthinking, no more wondering about what to say on social media every day. All you have to do is grab this calendar right here, copy the prompt for each day, take it to your favorite AI software, plug it in and tell it what to say. And now you have created content for the entire month.